What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a cornerstone of YouTube success. Content is king. In this ever evolving digital landscape, high quality content remains supreme. Whether you are a creator or just starting out, understanding the power of content is crucial. In this video, we explore the many facts of YouTube content, for crafting to engaging ideas to strategically distributing them for maximum impact. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So you can see YouTube content means YouTube videos. If you make good quality video, you have more and more chance to get views in YouTube. If your video quality is not too good and you make bad quality video with low quality videos or images, that will not help you to earn success on YouTube. So make a good quality video for your YouTube videos. Nowadays you have more option to use mobile camera or DSLR or any camera you want to make good videos for a YouTube content. So always try to make a good video. If you make a good video but your video is not engaging to your audience, they will not see your full video or they will skip your video. What is actually engaging video? You need a good script or editing or voice, anything you can engage your audience. If you cannot engage your viewers in your video, they cannot watch your video. So for what purpose you create your video for YouTube? If you create your video for entertainment purpose or education purpose or something else, if you create an entertainment purpose in your video and you cannot entertain your viewers by your videos, they cannot watch your video. Or if you teach something them or you fail to teach something them and they are not understand what are actually you teach them, they cannot see your video either. If your video have a purpose, please fulfill this purpose so can people watch your videos. You need to build trust in your videos. If they watch your videos and they know they can learn something or they can get entertainment or something else, this is their trust part. They are trusted video somewhere and they watch your videos. So build trust for your viewers. Trust building is important for your videos. People always want to see uncommon thing. So it is also apply for videos. So you can see this video, parrot talk everything. This video is not a great quality or great thumbnail. This video has no tag also. So you can see, if I open this video from here, this video has 25 million views in 6 years ago. So you can see this video quality is not too good or there has no tag in their videos. So first you need a video. Video is important. If you don't have a great thumbnail or great tag in your video or great title, people can also see your video by your great video content. So video is important and try to create uncommon videos. So know your audience is very important for your content. What type of content actually viewers want to see. You also know by their comment in comment section what type of video they want in your channel, and each video they can comment is good or bad. If you know your audience, then no one can stop you and success in YouTube. Many ways you can know your audience: comment, poll or post. This way you can easily know your audience what type of video they want. So in past I tell you that video tag is not so many important for your video, but if you have a chance to share video give tag in your video, why you cannot use this? Use this to reach more and more viewers in YouTube. If you want to earn success in YouTube, then post in your YouTube channel. I already talked about this. Continue upload your video is important for you. So upload regularly in fixed time. So if you upload your video every day, then continue this. If you upload a video in 1 week, then continue this after 1 week, after 1 week, after 1 week. That's why you can regular upload a video. Don't miss the video upload schedule. Post regularly. in your channel. So if you follow this step, then content will be king in your channel. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.